Hello students, today I will discuss about this topic acid, bases and salt। यानी इस टॉपिक के बारे में आज हम जानेंगे, जिसमें सबसे पहले हम ये जानेंगे कि व्हाट इज इंडिकेटर। You know very well, till yet 118 element is known and it combined to form many compounds, and on the basis of their chemical properties all the compound can be classified into three ways, that is acids, bases and salt। ये three bases जितने भी chemical compounds हैं that is classified कि वो three part में ये divide किए गए कि acidic, basic और salt। So how can you detect कि a compound or a substance is an acid, is a base or a salt? So we should first know about the meaning of acid base indicator or simply indicator। इसलिए इस टॉपिक को जानने से पहले हमको इंडिकेटर के बारे में जानना होगा कि इंडिकेटर है क्या। तो द इंडिकेटर इट इज ए डाई, ये डाई, it is a dye and that changes color when it is put into an acid or a base। It gives different color in acid and in base। So after that we are discussing about the indicator, what are the most common indicator। The most common indicator is litmus paper, methyl orange and phenolphthalein। This litmus paper exists in two forms, that is in the form of paper and in the form of solution। And in the form of paper, litmus paper is two types, one is blue litmus paper and another one is red litmus paper। Whenever you are testing the chemical compound, if the compound is acidic and you are doing test with litmus paper, it turns blue litmus to red. It means compound is acidic in behavior. Whereas if a compound is basic solution or base and you are testing with litmus paper, it turns red litmus to blue। So this is the litmus paper test. It is also called litmus paper test, and litmus paper is a natural indicator। This one is natural indicator and actual color of this litmus paper is purple, and it is made into blue litmus and red litmus for the sake of convenience in detecting color change, whether it is added in acid or base। So this litmus paper actually it is made by a plant, that plant is a lichen mean it is a type of plant which is Thallophyta group, and it is from this plant litmus paper is made। Other natural indicator is also, you know very well, turmeric, that is haldi, and that is obtained that is yellow dye, and it turns red in basic solution whenever haldi is added in a basic solution, it turns red. ये रेड कलर में appear हो जाता है. It is a natural indicator. And next is methyl orange. जो next हमारा indicator है that is methyl orange. तो methyl orange indicator, when it is in a solution is acidic, if there is a acid solution, it appears red color. Red color appears whenever an indicator methyl orange is added in the solution. Mean if red color appears, the solution is acidic. Whereas if yellow colors appear, it means solution is basic. So this is second indicator you are studying कि ये मिथाइल ऑरेंज. अगर आप एसिड सॉल्यूशन में अगर आप मिक्स करते हो तो ये रेड कलर आएगा, और बेसिक सॉल्यूशन में अगर आप मिक्स करते हो तो इट अपीयर्स येलो कलर में. और थर्ड है हमारा फेनोप्थिलीन. फेनोप्थिलीन मीन इफ सॉल्यूशन इज एसिडिक and you are adding phenolphthalein, it appears colorless. Mean colorless in acidic solution, and whereas pink color in basic solution. Pink color mean if compound is basic or solution is basic and you are adding methyl orange, it appears pink color. So these three are common indicator. With the help of these common indicator, you can detect the behavior of the chemical compound. Mean behavior sense कि वो compound जो है that compounds is acidic or basic. Acidic compound है या basic compound है. तो इस टॉपिक में मैंने बेसिकली इंडिकेटर के बारे में आपको पहले ये पॉइंट समझाया है. और नेक्स्ट अब जो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अबाउट फर्स्ट पॉइंट दैट इज एसिड. इस एसिड के बारे में हम सेकेंड पार्ट में इन डिटेल डिस्कस करेंगे. होप सो यू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी वेल अबाउट द इंडिकेटर. एंड नाउ we will study about acid. Thank you.